Okay, so it is Monday, and it is payday, or CA day, so everybody's working hard. Okay. Oh, they're doing a little bit of stripping. Strip some of these forms. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Somebody added stairs to our ramp. That's kind of fancy. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon. Your helmet. It's very dirty. You've been working hard. I like to see dirty helmets, dirty gloves, dirty pants, dirty face. I know the face. Yes. See that helmet full of concrete? See that? Yeah. Full of concrete. Good. Good, good, good. So it looks like we got our slab poured. Not too bad. We'll cut in some expansion. This will get covered though anyway, but we're still gonna put in some expansion joints, hopefully to minimize the inevitable cracking. Interesting, the cold joint here. Not that that makes any big deal, but it's actually not so bad. Quite a bit lighter. I don't know why that's so much darker. Maybe one of you that has more experience with concrete could tell me. Maybe more water was added in this lighter colored one. Maybe this was definitely poured last, so maybe the darker one will lighten up like this. That's pretty good. This is all going to get covered. I mean, the intent now is the bedrooms will be carpeted, and everything else will get probably a vinyl LTV, luxury vinyl tile, I think it's called. Planks look like wood. So I think that's about all we got for today. Size of those rebars, huh? This is going to be one sturdy structure.